Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to copy a video in CapCut PC. So if you guys want to copy and paste a video, here's what you need to do. First, you need to add the video first into the track and then just right click on it, or you can also use the Ctrl+C shortcut in your keyboard. Just click on copy, and then after to paste you can just right click again or use the Ctrl+V in your keyboard, then or click on paste. So the video will be paste like this, and if you want to arrange the position, you can just drag it like this. For example, you want to put it in here, just drag the video. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope it will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks below, like this video, and also comment if you have any question. Bye.